From this screen, tap on Provincial option at the left side of the screen. Then tap on Provincial Tax Credit button. You may then do a check mark on the condition that's suitable for yourself and hit the Continue button. Just keep tapping on Continue while answering the question until you reach this page on You may qualify for the current year Ontario Trillium Benefit. And if you felt like you are matched with the qualification right here, then choose on the Yes option. You may also apply for the Northern Ontario Energy Credit. Choose the Yes option, and scroll down to tap on Continue button. Over here, you may insert the necessary information regarding your payment of the residence in Ontario. Tap on Additional Home if you have another address, or tap Continue when you are done. On this option, choose on No option if you want the payment to be sent monthly, or Yes option to get the payment at single time. And choose whether you match with these conditions or not. Then tap Continue again, and you are done applying for Ontario Trillium Benefit. So you apply to Ontario Trillium Benefit simply by filing your personal income tax return. Even if you have no income to report, you should still file your taxes. If you do not file, the CRA won't know that you are eligible, and you'll miss out on the money. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.